Hello everybody. Today I have a friend with me and she wanted me to show her how to do the self-watering wicker buckets, 5-gallon wicker buckets. And I'm going to go ahead and record it, so if y'all missed the first one, then you can see her doing this and see how easy it is. So hold on and we'll get to it. Okay, this is my friend Deb.
Hey.
And this is the bucket that I just did. I showed her how to do it, and now I'm going to let her do it. All right, go ahead.
Okay, so I'm going to measure 5 inches.
Yep.
And I'm going to mark it just so I'll know. And then
She's using the drill with a 5/8 inch paddle bit, but you can just use a regular drill bit if you want to. And she went 5 inches up from the bottom of her bucket, and now she's going to drill the hole.
okay, I can hold it here, right?
Uh-huh. There you go.
Okay.
That one's done. Now take your finger and there you go. Clean out the little white fuzzies.
In the belly button.
Yeah.
Okay, so this is done. And
Yep.
so then our next step is to measure this.
You can do that next. Yeah, that's fine.
Okay, and this is 6 inches. Oh, we got to angle it first.
The PVC pipe is 1 inch.
That's right.
And we cut it, I think, 18 inches. But first she needs to put an angle on the bottom so the water can drain out, because if you put it flat against your milk jug, the water don't drain.
So just cut basically like this?
Yeah, you want me to hold it for you?
Yeah.
All right. Let's see if I can.
We can hold it basically like this.
All right,
I could probably
got
do
it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, I say that.
Want me to help you? You want me to do it and you record?
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
You're the pro.
Well, I don't know about that, but
Pro
got
Nana.
more practice, that's all.
Pro Nana. Oh, look at that. You make it look so easy.
Oop.
I think this one's just stubborn.
It might be.
There you go.
Of course, a sharper
Blade.
blade would be better too.
I think we got it now. There we go. All right.
Now we have an angle there. Cleaning off the white little pieces here. All right, and then we're going to take her bucket and stick the pipe in there. And it goes to here, and we want to go a couple inches up, so we're going to cut a straight line, fairly straight, right about here. Okay. All right, if you want to give me the camera, Beth, I'll let you take over.
Okay, thank you.
All right.
Okay, so now we need a milk jug.
All right, let me go in my garden. I'll show you my garden while I'm getting another milk jug. I accidentally cut the other end off too big, so we're gonna get another one. But let me go ahead and show my garden while we're in here. My goji berries, my asparagus is doing really good. My cabbage, the cabbage worms got hold of it. Did a number on it, but I think I finally got rid of them. My awesome tomato plants that are doing wonderful. My blueberries, which I ate blueberries yesterday. And potatoes, and another tomato. And milk jug. Here you go.
Yay.
Okay, with the milk jug, she's going to take a X-Acto knife, or razor blade knife, or whatever you want to call it.
And just above the rim.
Just above the rim there, she's going to cut the jug. Okay, let me get over here so I'm not in the sun. And watch your fingers, that is sharp.
Okay, good. I think a sharp blade is better than a dull blade.
Yes, definitely.
And this is very sharp. Nice. Okay.
You can see she cut it right above that little thing right there. And next thing she's going to do is take out the paddle bit from the drill and put in a regular drill bit.
I'll let you do that.
Okay. To do that, you put your drill in reverse, hold the top, take it out. Repeat the process only backwards. Put it in forward, hold here until it's tight.
Okay, good.
There you go.
Okay, now I'm drilling 3 holes in the top and 4 holes in the bottom.
Yes.
And it's just random, or?
No, your 3 holes, put like one here, and one here.
Okay. So like right here?
Yeah, that'll be fine. Yeah, it's kind of difficult.
Okay.
Don't worry about squishing your milk jug. You can...
Here?
Yep.
Okay.
There you go. Okay, sorry about that. I had a phone call and it interrupted us. Anyway, she's in the process of putting the holes in the milk jug.
1, 2, 3.
3 on the top.
And then
and
just
on
do
the bottom.
1, 2, 3, 4?
Yep.
Okay. Right here?
That's fine.
Okay. And I just want to say, if I can do this, anybody can. About right here?
Yep, that'll work.
I am not a pro, but I did take wood chopping class about 35 years ago in high school, or junior high.
Well, I didn't take wood class. I took home ec.
I think I did both.
But I love it outside, so.
Yeah.
Okay, next thing she's going to do is take her pipe, and it's going to fit a little bit tight, but you want that because you don't want
This isn't the one.
You don't want the dirt to go in. It's in your bucket.
Yeah.
In your milk jug.
So the angle goes...
Angle goes in the jug.
Oh, that's a good fit.
There you go. And then you just put that in your jug, just like that. So, just to recap, so far we have 5 inches up. We have the drain hole. We have the milk jug with holes drilled in it. And we have our 1-inch PVC pipe. Now we're going to put a little bit of potting mix. Make sure it's potting mix. Put a little bit of that in there. Okay, hold up. Straighten up your jug a little bit and poke your soil down around. Kind of poke it down in there. There you go.
More.
Now, more dirt.
I would say this big bag, it probably takes only about a little more than 1/8 of it.
Yeah, a big bag like that, I can usually get about 4 buckets.
Maybe an 8. Yeah. About like that?
You put a little more because it'll pack down.
Let me pack this now. And then get some more in there. I like that.
Yep.
All right.
That'll work. Okay, next thing you want to do is dig like a little well hole. Just put the dirt on. Yeah, there you go. Put dirt on it towards both sides. And then get your tomato plant.
And I want to make sure I keep my marker. So I know what I've got in here.
Right. Now don't pull it. No.
Oh, show me.
When you pull these out, you want to like squeeze
them?
on the sides instead of just pulling it out, because if you just pull it out, you'll rip your roots. So make sure you loosen it up.
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that came out so easy.
And then you put it in your dirt. You want your dirt a little bit deeper.
Okay.
There you go. There you go.
Is that too much?
Nope. Perfect.
Okay.
Now for the first 2 weeks, you'll want to get your water hose and water the top of it, because the roots are not branched out yet. So even though it's self-wicking, the roots are still young, so you want to make sure you water it from the top. You want to get the hose and go ahead and water it from the top?
Yeah.
Yeah, you definitely need a stake or a tomato cage.
Yeah. Yeah, I'll go to Lowe's on the way home and get that. Oops. Maybe like that?
Yeah, that'll work. So just go ahead and get your soil damp.
Tell me when.
Now, the first time you're going to do more water, obviously, because your soil is all dry. It's the first time you've watered it.
Ready for the bucket or no?
A little bit more water.
Okay.
That's probably good. Okay, and then you just put your hose in the 1-inch PVC pipe. And when your bucket is full, the water will come out through the top. Now, if it rains or something, you don't have to worry about your plant drowning because you have your hole down there, and so it's not going to flood over and all that stuff. It's going to come out through the drain hole. So, but that's all there is to it. You learned a new trick. You're very welcome. And there's your 5-gallon water buckets. If you decide to do more, let me know.
Definitely.
All right. Oh yeah, we forgot to include the tomato cage. The tomato cages, I like to turn them upside down. Deb's gonna demonstrate for me. Because the bottom of them, with just a little bit of muscle, can you get it?
Yeah, I think that one's not quite ready to go up there.
Yeah, yes, just be careful with it so you don't break it.
Oh, this is gonna go easy.
Yeah, with a little bit of muscle,
yeah,
it slides right over the bucket. And then you can just take a piece of bread tie or wire or whatever and put that up there. And then your tomato plant will,
beautiful.
Your tomato plant will go up to the side. And if it's too heavy, you can always tie your tomato plant to this also.
Yes, that's beautiful.
There you go. I think we're done this time. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.